got a good view of it. I've got a reverse cam that's installed in it, and if anybody's ever parked one of these, whenever I go to a car show, I look like a boss. I just back right into a parking spot, perfectly in the center, and usually on the first try. So, anyways, give me 1 second. I'm gonna close the garage. So when I bought this car a couple years ago, it did need some work. A lot of the body stuff was good to go already. Everything pretty much worked except for a bunch of little odd things, like the automatic headlamps. The cruise control didn't work properly, and those are two things I just thought, which make this car really cool, is to have those things working. It starts right up, as you can see. The automatic choke works really well on it. The AC, again, is ice cold. I've got a nice stereo system in it. Clock does work. See, 12:13. And on my phone, 12:13. It's a good clock. I'll give it up to them. Over 2 years, I've had to adjust it once, and it was exactly 2 minutes off, and it was 2 minutes behind. So, it does run a little bit slow. Of course, whenever I sync the time up, that might have not been done that well either. We're not going to play any music in this video because I don't want any copyrights on this. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the engine. I've got an exhaust on it. So yeah, going back into it, when I first got it, it's always ran good. But the engine, had these, they had these weird little quirks, right? So like if I'd be at a stop, while I was coming to a stop, the engine would idle down real low, almost like it was going to, like it wanted to stall. And it's not something even the passengers could feel. It's something that I just knew that was going on. But it traditionally wouldn't, right? And then they would do these weird little like stutters, coming off the line. If I just, certain conditions were met, it would just, kind of stall out for a second, but it would pick back up.